3 key secrets to keep in mind or bear in mind as you supersize and grow your business. We're only going to talk about 3 today, or it would take too long. Are there more than 3 secrets to keep in mind as you're growing and building your business? Of course there are, but let's talk about 3 that I have found the most important dealing with thousands of different businesses. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. And our idiom today is to bear in mind or to keep in mind. They're used interchangeably. And some people think one is formal, like bear in mind is formal. And I just kind of snicker at that because it doesn't feel very formal to me. And that keep in mind is less formal, which is just the opposite of what my mind would think. Which goes to show us that we get to decide what everything means and how we interpret it. This is actually a very old idiom. It's from the first half of the first half of the 1500s is when it became popular. And it's been used ever since. So it is an idiom that's hundreds and hundreds of years old. And what do we know about things that are hundreds and hundreds of years old? They have morphed and changed over time. This idiom, not so much. It still means things to remember or keep in mind or to consider when you're making a decision or a choice. Things that are important to you in terms of growing and building and supersize your business. So what are 3 secret things that we want to make sure that we're keeping in mind as we build and grow our business? Number 1, we want to be top of mind. We want our ideal customers and the people we're here to serve. We want them to keep us top of mind. We do that through branding. We do that through merchandise. We do that through surprises and communications and consistently contacting and communicating on a consistent basis with the people that we serve or with the people we want to serve. We create content online because we want people that we want to serve and want people to be attracted to us and be brought into our business. We want to be top of mind for them when they require the products or services that we offer. So top of mind, being top of mind, maintaining, staying top of mind, finding creative ways to stay top of mind is one of the secrets and very important. Top of mind to the people that you want to serve, the ideal people you want to serve, and in the industry and the niche that you choose to lead in. We should all pick one and then expand from there, right? I mean, done any marketing or online marketing or research or business or been in business for a long time, they always say start with one ideal group and then expand from there. So top of mind, number 1 secret, stay top of mind for the people that you're here to serve and do that in fun and exciting and creative ways. One of my favorite ways is to send them surprise little things in the mail, surprise little gifts in the mail. Why? Not many people get good things in the mail these days. Not anymore anyway. And there's so much use of text messaging and email and free ways of communicating with people. When you actually go to the trouble of physically sending somebody something, they notice. Now, it has to be related to your products or services or to them specifically, something that they specifically need. There's a concept called the Dream 100, which I 100% support of teaming up with and partnering with and treating your ideal customers and partners in ways that are special, that they know that they're special and that they matter. All right, so that's secret number 1 to keep in mind, bear in mind as you're supersizing and growing your business. Number 2, we have to keep in mind what's important to us as we're growing and building our big business, our supersized business. Where are we going? What's our vision? We have to always keep where we're going and what we're creating in mind. And we do that through setting goals, by having key performance indicators, by measuring. We measure what matters and paying attention to those, communicating those to everybody that's a part of our organization so that they know their part in creating the organization that we're wanting to. That's the second secret. Make sure that you have key things that you're looking at that tell you if you're going toward what you want or away from what you want. And our third thing is, and this is kind of an eye-opener for a lot of people, especially business people. Our results show everything to everyone, right? How we act, how we speak, how we talk, how we behave shows everyone how we think, how we feel, how we are engaging with the world, how we feel about the world. We've all done business with companies that we know we're just a number to, and they couldn't care less about us. How does it feel when you're involved with and doing business with a company like that? I think of cell phone providers or utilities. We don't have any choice because they have monopolies. So we just think of them as a necessary evil or a necessary part of our life and doing business. We pretty much don't give them hardly any thought at all, right? Unless it's some negative thoughts. But we should be appreciative that we have internet, that we have cell phones, that we have ways to communicate with one another, etc. So we want to realize that our results show the world exactly who we are, and that if we want to be the example, and this is the secret, number 3, be the example of what you want to create in the world. Show people, don't just tell, don't just talk about it, don't just brand it and throw it out there in nifty, cute marketing messages. Actually demonstrate who you are, what you stand for, what's important to you, and be the example for other business owners, other business builders, other businesses to raise the bar of performance and realize that everything that you do is part of your setting an example and being a role model in the world. I hope I explained that. So keep in mind, your results show exactly what's important to you. So if the only thing that's important to you in building your business is money, 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 people will start to sense and feel that. Guess what? People don't like to do business with businesses that are all about just money, 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 money. Unless, of course, you're in the financial sector or things like that. So be the example you want to see in the world. Pay attention to the key performance indicators and things that are important for your business. Make sure everybody's behind those and aligned to create those numbers and be watching those indicators in your business. Focus on your vision and what it is you're trying to create in the world. If you do that, all your other decisions become easy. And then remember, you want to be top of mind for the people that you want to serve. Not for everybody, the people you want to serve. Unless, of course, you're Coca-Cola and they want to be top of mind for everybody. And they have billions of dollars to create those marketing messages. Any questions? Love to know your experience with bear in mind or keep in mind. I definitely have said and used this idiom hundreds, if not thousands of times in my life. Hey, pay attention to this, bear in mind, keep this in mind, make sure you remember this, etc. In communicating my vision of what I'm creating in the world for people, of being and staying top of mind for the people that I'm here to serve, etc. Any questions? Ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow for our final mental well-being related idiom for this this year. Probably not for this year, but for this segment to coincide with the annual BU 365-day challenge. All right. Catch you tomorrow. Bye.